Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for joining our YouTube channel, Coffee with Success. Today, we're going to be talking about how to rank higher on YouTube SEO in 2021, 13 ways to rank higher. But this is a second video of the remaining 6 ways. So we're going to show you here 13 ways to rank high in YouTube SEO. And we're going to show you the following 6 of them, which is 8, encourage engagement, create an interesting thumbnail, create a playlist, create backlinks, get social, and close captions. Okay, guys, let's get started. Let me minimize the screen. And let's go. So number 8, encourage engagement. There are reasons that seemingly every YouTube video ends with, if you like this video, click the like button. So if you like this video, please click the like button down below or so on, right? Or something like that. That's what it says. It's because engagement affects your SEO. Whenever someone likes, comments, or subscribes, it sends a strong signal to YouTube that this viewer enjoyed the content to engage with it. So it will start showing them more of your videos. Just take a look at this chart. So we'll go down. What does that mean? Number of video comments. Okay, 5,000. YouTube ranking. Okay, so it'd be graded, right? At the beginning, there was a lot of movement, a lot of comment, a lot of trend, a lot of buzz, and it was about 5,000 comments. So it was ranking number 1, and it has this axis here. The comments or interactions to that video started decreasing. So the decline of your ranking also. So it does affect. This is from a study of 1.3 million YouTube videos by Brian Dean, founder of Backlinko, and it shows a clear correlation between video comments and YouTube ranking. So there you go. You know, this pictures speak 1,000 words. Create an interesting thumbnail. Okay, so there are only 2 things a viewer sees before deciding to click on your video: the video title and the thumbnail. And the visual information processed by 60,000 faster than text. The thumbnail really counts. So you're going to see a great example. I'm telling you, this is a great article. And so I was very happy to find this and share this with you guys. YouTube can automatically assign a thumbnail to you, but this will be just a random shot from your video. In order to stand out, you need to use a unique attention-grabbing image that will encourage people to click. Take a look at these examples below. Okay, so you see this guy, right? Yeah, that's him, his personality, I think. Great title here. Grow your business with video marketing, very strong, and it has some visual effects. The computer, obviously, because video marketing, and then money, implying that this is how you can make money doing that. Video marketing ideas for real estate. You want to see, why is he throwing this camera in the air? So it's engaging, it's appealing, right? 5 advanced tips for Instagram marketing. And, it has a cropped picture, but I don't know how the correlation this is, but I'm still interested, right? So things like that. Each thumbnail has been selected to draw viewers in. The presenters are looking directly at the camera, at the text on the screen, further reiterates what the video is going to be about. This encourages users to click on the video, and a high click-through rate will seriously strengthen your ranking performance. Number 10, create a playlist. Playlists are an amazing way to increase overall watch time for your channel because they play automatically. So instead of watching just one video, a viewer might watch 5 or 6. To create a playlist, you need to grow a couple of videos, group a couple of videos together that have similar topics or themes like this. So history consumers, trans Vermeer, 6 ideas from Easter. I don't know how this correlates that, but they're all linked, right, or grouped. It also helps to get in touch with people who create similar content to you or are your competitors. Ask them to add your videos to one of their playlists. The more playlists your videos are featured in, it's better. Well, yeah, of course. Here's an example of what you could say. Hey, I love your channel. Your recent video about, affiliate marketing was really interesting to me because blah, blah, blah. I think my video are pretty similar to yours, so it could help viewers stay on your channel. If you include some of my content playlists, here are some of the videos. It depends. You might hit a great video right off the bat, but it's going to take a little while. Like anything else, you might be very skilled, so it's going to be easier for you. But some of us that are artistically or technically inclined, we'll have to do some homework on that. Number 11, create backlinks. Links building is a huge ranking factor for any piece of content, video including. If you're familiar with this optimizing written content, like your blog or website, or for Google, then you'll know what the count. You'll know that they count the numbers of backlinks, so help them determine how valuable your content is. Seeing that Google owns YouTube, all right, guys, Google owns YouTube. It should be no surprise that YouTube works in the same way too. To increase your backlinks, be sure to post your videos in as many places as you can, like your website and your blog. So you could also ask other websites in your niche to post your videos on their sites, to write guest posts for them to include your videos. The more backlinks you have, the better YouTube SEO will be, and also Google. So it's kind of like a chain, right? You tell another friend to post a video, so on and so on. And just you create a community, a strong community. Ranking highly on Google could also get your videos featured on their first page of search results for your focus keywords, which just priceless amount of visibility for your YouTube channel. So this is very organic, right? Or yes and no, because you're asking people to do it for it, but it's linking, and you want to create traffic, the bottom line. Number 12, get social. One last way to rank higher on YouTube is by spreading the word about your video in as many different places as you can. You can think of basically the more social signals your video has, the better. So share it on your social platforms and encourage people that you know to share it with. So if it's some passion of yours, I'm sure you have a Facebook page and so on, or Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, whatever, you want to show that stuff, share it, share with your friends and family. They're the ones that are going to support you. Let's see. And number 13, a closed caption. Okay, so this is tricky, guys. YouTube videos are able to support closed captions to benefit people with hearing difficulties. An added bonus of these captions is that they are crawled by YouTube and Google, so they can work to boost your SEO. So there's a caveat though. YouTube can automatically caption your videos, but this is usually riddled with errors. To get your closed captions indexed and make the SEO friendly, you need to edit in captions YouTube provides and upload your own. Here's how. This link will take you there. So again, let me show you what it is. It's wyzowl.com/YouTube-SEO/. And I'll leave it up to that. That way you can pause it and look at it. And you can click on the link and then it'll tell you how to do that. So closing thoughts, guys. YouTube is a competitive place to share your content because there are so many people visiting on a daily basis. And while the competitiveness can be off-putting at times, you just need to remember there are still many ways you can rank higher and improve your YouTube SEO to make your channels and your videos more lucrative for your business. If you're struggling to come up with video content ideas in the first place, or blog, when he's talking about this guy's whoever wrote this article is gonna help you there. But yeah, guys, so please subscribe, and we'll talk more how start introducing you with my mentor and good friend Paul Smith. Paul Murphy, sorry, that's horrible. Caveat, guys, I have a toddler that didn't let me sleep very well last night, so I apologize if I misrepresented him. But take care, guys, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Bye.